Hi there, how are you today? If you started English again from scratch, like A1 or A2 tomorrow, would you know exactly what to do first? Or would you just collect more apps, more videos, more books? In this video, I will tell you the exact plan I would personally follow, step by step. Stay with me because the problem is almost never your level. Let's get started. So, before we start, one thing I want you to hear. Feeling stuck has very little to do with how good or bad you are at English. Let me explain. I've taught learners who study every single day, who know plenty of grammar, and who still feel like they are standing in the same place month after month. And the reason tends to surprise people. It's really the level. It's the plan or not having one at all. Most learners don't need more content, they need a better order. Because they jump from one app to a video to a grammar book, a bit of everything, and nothing really sticks. Does that sound like you? Well, that's the very first thing I would change. So here are the 3 moves I would make if I had to rebuild my English from a very low level like A1 or A2. Let's start with move number 1. Choose one clear path, not 10 resources. Here is the rule. Pick one main course or one book or even one app and follow it in order from start to finish. That's it. Does it sound simple? Yes, it is. But think about it. When you use 10 different things at the same time, you repeat some topics, you skip others, and you never really finish anything. You feel busy, but you don't move forward. With one clear path, every week builds on the last one. Take a look at how this changes everything. Instead of asking, what should I study next? Or what should I study today? You just open the next lesson. No stress and no decisions. The plan decides for you. So, before you download one more app, ask yourself, do I need it? Do I need more resources actually? Or do I need to finish the one I already have here? Because most of the time, it's the second one, isn't it? Let's move on. Move number 2. Here we are. Speak from day 1, out loud in small doses. Now, this is the one most people get wrong. They wait. They think, I will start speaking when I'm ready. When my grammar is better, when I feel confident, when I know more words. But here is the truth. That day never comes. Confidence doesn't come first. Speaking comes first, and then confidence follows, right? And you don't need a teacher or partner to start. You can read a short text out loud, answer a simple question about your day, describe what you can see around you, just 1 or 2 sentences. 2 or 3 minutes is enough. I mean it. Small and often bits, long and rare. Remember, your mouth needs practice too. Not only your eyes and your ears. The learners who speak a little every day, even alone, are the ones who stop freezing when a real conversation comes. Trust me, this one is the move that changes everything. Now let's continue. And move number 3. Review little and often. This is the habit that quietly does all the work. Here is the problem. We forget. We learn 10 new words today and in 3 days, most of them are gone. So it's completely normal. and that's how our brain works. The answer is not to study harder. It is to come back to the same things in small, regular doses. Like 10 minutes of review a few times a week beats a 3-hour marathon every 2 weeks. Every time. And quickly, if this is useful to you, a like and a subscribe go a long way. That's what keeps our small channel like this on going. So, what was I saying? Keep a small notebook. Write down the words and phrases you want to remember. And look at them again and again, little and often. That's the secret, right? Now, let's put it all together. All right, what can you do this week? Let me give you 3 small steps. First, choose your one path, one course book or one application, and put the others aside for now. Second, speak out loud for just 2 minutes a day. Answer one simple question about your day. And third, start a little notebook and review it 3 times this week. That's all. Nothing huge, nothing scary. Small, clear, and steady. You don't need to do everything. You need to do a few things well and keep going. That's how real progress happens. Quietly and step by step. Quick recap. If I had to rebuild my English from a low level like A1, A2, or why not B1, I would do 3 things. Choose one clear path instead of 10 resources. Speak from day 1 in small doses and review little and often. That's the whole plan. Not more content, a better order. You've got this. Now, that's the plan. Start small this week and keep it simple and let the steps add up. Remember, it's not about doing more. It's all about doing the right things again and again. Now, that's all for today. See you in the next lesson, and as always, stay tuned for more words of advice and handy material. Bye!